Rachel here with Rachelsuniquecrafts. Today we're back in the kitchen and the camera stand that I usually use stripped out. It's not holding today, so we're gonna make do with this other one. So let's see. Y'all hear my oven? Beeper's going off. I'm gonna turn you down now so y'all can see what I'm doing and you don't have to just look at me. All right, I hope everyone's having a good day. Today, let's see. I wish I could back you up further. Let's see. Do it this way. There we go. We got a little bit we can see. Today we're going to be doing some cinnamon rolls. Not your ordinary cinnamon rolls. Now, I am missing one ingredient. I first saw this on TikTok. It's not anyone I was following. And with TikTok, I'm still not really good at that, so I don't know who it was. Or I would definitely give them credit. I've never tried this before, so it's a flop. Well, we'll just see. I don't see how cinnamon rolls could actually be a flop, but I sprayed the bottom because we're going to put our, and I just washed my hands. I have been out there painting, but I did wash my hands. I might need a smaller container. Not container. What do you call that thing? Pan. Y'all words are hard sometimes. Let's see. Let's try this one because I've only got 3, 6, and 8 of these, and that's a big pan. I think this would work better. I think so. I got too excited. I guess. Okay. So we've got our cinnamon rolls. Let me see, I forgot to get a bowl here. This is room temperature. Stick of butter. We're going to use 1 cup of brown sugar. They did not give a measurement for the whipping cream, so we're just going to kind of wing it. I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds and get that melted real good. I've got some cinnamon toast crunch here. I didn't measure these either. And I'll be honest, I didn't see this but one time, so I'm just hoping I remember it rightly. Wish I had saved it. I went back and checked my recipe. But a lot of times I'll have, something on, have my earplugs in at work, And by the time it goes by the time I get to it, it's done gone by. But that butter just spilled out. I'm messy, y'all. I'm messy. That's okay. I make a mess. I'll be the one that has to clean it up. This is just brown sugar and a stick of butter. A cup of brown sugar and a stick of butter. Alright, so I believe what they did when they did this, they took some heavy cream, whipping cream, I'm just doing enough to cover the bottom of the pan, like so. Oh, how I wish I could go back and see this again, but I'd probably never find it. I don't know how to find stuff on there. I'm just kind of, I post my videos and watch whatever comes up in my feed, and that's about it. Well, I need a TikTok for dummies to watch is what I need. See how to run it. Okay, so if I remember correctly, yeah, I think they put these on afterwards. I'm not sure now that I think about it, but we're going to put them on there and see. Okay, y'all. This is what it looks like. We're going to see what this, you know what? Yeah, some of this mixture will be good. Let's try something. See what I'm doing? Alright. I think we got some on the oven. I'm making a good mess. Alright, we've got to put it in the oven. Over here. I'm sorry, my stand. The other one just went to poop. I've got it set on 350. I'm going to set a timer for 25 minutes. So, we'll see how this turns out, because I just rightly don't know if I'm doing it right. I don't remember. So, then I get them out. I know they had caramel. I forgot to pick up some caramel that was already made today. And I don't want to make, I know how to make it, but I don't want to make that much because I'm not going to need a whole lot just for that one dish of cinnamon rolls. So I'm going to kind of skip the caramel and caramel, everything, depending on where you live, depends on how you pronounce it. It's like pecans or pecans or tomato. see y'all back in a few minutes. That now, this has been cooking for 25 minutes, and so we need to get them out of the oven. So I don't like this ring light because it puts circles in my glasses there. Okay, so let me show y'all. It's buzzing now, and they look scrumptious. I'm gonna turn that timer off. I was gonna use this. I think I'm gonna need to use a little thinner one also. Here we go. They're looking so yummy. Fresh out of the oven. Woo-hoo. I have made a mess, y'all. Okay. Here we go. We're fixing to taste these and see if I've made a mess out of them. They don't look exactly like the ones on TikTok, but we're going to see if they're any good. How about that? So, they're going to be hot because they just came out of the oven. And I'll tell you what, I forgot some pecans would have been good. Okay. So, I'm going to taste this. Really good. Think what I would have done? Put everything on there. Put the cinnamon toast crunch on after. Then put it back in the oven for a few minutes. But this is really good. I wish I could send y'all a bite. But so just put you a little bit of whipping cream, some heavy cream. I probably wouldn't put as much as I did. There's a little bit left in the pan. But stick of butter with some cinnamon. No, some brown sugar. This is not keto. I have to get back on my diet tomorrow. But it's okay. We'll have a cheat day every once in a while. Y'all give this a try, let me know. But I probably wouldn't put as much heavy cream in it as I did. But it turned out, the taste is amazing. I forgot one thing, y'all. You add your cinnamon, your icing to the very top of it. So I remember that after I said goodbye to y'all. So anyway, pour your icing on it. You'll be good to go. Thank y'all for watching. Remember, I love you all. Crafting makes something beautiful. And let me know how you like the cinnamon rolls all doctored up. Thank y'all. See y'all in the next video.